Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a school account from Windows 11. To begin, open your Windows settings, which you can easily find by clicking the Start button. Once settings are open, look for the Accounts section on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then select Access Work or School from the options presented. This will show you a list of all organizational accounts currently linked to your device. Now that you see your connected accounts, find the specific school account you want to remove. Click on its name, and a Disconnect button will appear. Select this option. A confirmation prompt will then appear, asking if you are sure you want to disconnect. Click Yes to proceed with the removal process. This action will begin to sever the link between your device and the school's network. It's important to note that simply disconnecting the account might not remove all associated data from your computer. You should manually check and delete any files or folders that were specifically linked to that school account. Also, remember to review your web browser profiles and saved credentials to ensure no school-related information remains. This extra step helps maintain your privacy and keeps your system clean. To ensure the removal is complete and all changes are finalized, it's a good idea to restart your computer. After your system reboots, go back to the Access Work or School section in your Windows settings. Double-check the list of accounts to confirm that the school account you removed is no longer present. This final verification step confirms a successful and clean removal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.